Good afternoon, my name is John Surency. I am the technical manager for the Yacht Group featuring Yacht Controller. And today we are going to do a tutorial to demonstrate how you can move your boat laterally side to side with the Fusion Plus joystick remote when you don't have a stern thruster. Okay, so generally when you move your boat to the side, you move the joystick straight over. If you had a stern thruster, you would get both thrusters only going to the port direction. When you only have without a stern thruster, what's going to happen is it's giving you the bow thruster to the port engine in forward, and the starboard engine in reverse. And this is the starboard engine being in reverse is going to start pulling your stern in towards the dock. Okay, the bow thruster is going to overpower the starboard engine, so what you can do is you drop down to a 45-degree position, and that's going to start pulling your stern in with the starboard engine in reverse. And then when the boat straightens out, you go back to where you initiate the bow thruster again. And you can go back and forth and just crab walk your boat straight in laterally to the dock. Okay, one other thing that we wanted to show you on this is in automatic mode. When you go into it, uses the thruster more. So when you go to the 45-degree position, you're going to have the bow thruster and the starboard engine in reverse. So if your bow thruster is not as powerful, you can use it this way, and you can still do the middle to 45 to bring your boat into the dock. Okay, and a lot of times what I tell people is to take your boat out in the open and try it first. Different boats react differently. Some bow thrusters are more powerful, some engines are more powerful, and you'll see what the best option is for you.